Hey, I'm Fish, your how-to guy, and we're going to be building this small bathroom shelf cabinet install. And you're going to put toilet paper and all your cleaning stuff inside. So let's get this build going. All the parts and hardware you need are right here. The instruction guide on how to install. Everything is laid out for you. You have one of these that you're going to open up. You're going to have this one to open and that one to open. A plate, 2 short screws, 3 times. You're going to match up the holes and the wood. Do your best, take your time. Place the plate on. Grab a screwdriver, the one they give you or the one you like to use. Repeat for the other one. Basically, you're going to slide them together like so. You're going to align. Get the screws, the short screws, set them in. What you're going to do now is you're going to take this, and you're going to put it over like so. And when you do this, you're going to take your time, because things are going to start to fall, so forth. You're going to line up, and you're going to take some long screws and place them in. The bottom base, what you're going to do is do your best to line this up like so with 4 screws, long ones. Lock everything down, all your screws, and everything looks nice and comfortable. Open it up, place your top shelf on. That'd be the one with these 2 little pieces here. You may have to spread it open just a little. This last shelf is important. If you want your shelf to be low or high, do not worry when you get left over. 2 parts. Put on toilet paper, put in your toilet paper, and put in your cleaning stuff. I got a nice spot for my toiletry dispenser cabinet, and I now have an area that I could open up, place in my toilet paper, and I want to put a roll of toilet paper on. I align it, lock it into place, and there I go. So I can pull my toilet paper now. If I needed to add in toiletry items like so, I can do so. You need something to decorate your bathroom, put in the corner, catty corner, so forth. You have a perfect, nice item for your needs. I hope this product is something that you're looking for that may be right for you. This item is a little less than 36 inches. It's about 4 by 4. It fits everything that you need. It doesn't have a lot of weight to it. It's very sturdy. It's not going to shake all over the place. You can put a little item on top like a soap dispenser or spray, and you can put them inside on the front to hide them as well. It's all up to you for what you want to use your toiletry cabinets for. I hope you enjoy your product.